we're doing is we're going to try to pull one tractor across this white line. It's a tractor pull.
Your beer fell.
I can drag his Craftsman across this line, or he can drag my Troy-Bilt across this line. Are you ready, sir? I am ready,
He's
sir.
got a small dividing line, which was at his feet when he was talking. Yes, just throw the beer over there. And wow, that was fast. Well, that was kind of anticlimactic, to say the least. Oh, and he's still going! Wow, I do have some weird laughs. And he's still trying. You've already lost! Tracy goes into neutral and is suddenly getting pulled. I guess he's trying to go for a victory lap. Are you trying to go for a victory lap or something? Of course, he can barely hear me. And of course, Tracy takes the brake off and suddenly... Wow. I'm not entirely sure what they're doing now. Yeah, it's a tractor pull, but Tracy's already won the tug of war part. Looks like what's keeping them together right there is about to break. There, careful. Everyone loves the sports commentary. There you go. Mow in reverse! Of course, they don't hear me. Mowers are far too loud. I'm still not sure why they keep going. As I move forward. Not to find answers, but just to move closer. I think they're having fun. Yeah, Emma's over there recording on her father's phone, on Nate's phone. Oh, that was decided long before now. Like 3 minutes ago. According to my recording time, about 3.5 minutes ago, actually. What'd you say?
His phone's about to die.
Oh, your phone has low battery? I had mine fully charged. Yeah. According to my co-reporter on Nate's phone, the phone she's got is about to die. We are 4.5 minutes in. I don't know why they've continued. I guess just for the hell of it. I'm pretty sure they're having fun. Most of this has been entertaining. Seems that unless Tracy lets him move, he can't actually move. Poor Nate, he's got the weaker mower. It seems the only time Nate's going anywhere forward is when Tracy goes in reverse. The winner was decided about 5.5 minutes ago. Well, 5.5 minutes ago in about 5 seconds. Yes, bask in the victory, I guess. And there's Emma, co-reporter, as I mentioned before. Not able to stay in the shot. As Tracy again basks in the victory. And this time turns on the mower. Well, the blades of the mower anyways. The mower was already on. Stupid thing to say. It's on. The mower was already on. The blades are done. And I'm babbling. And Emma's back in the shot again. As I try not to get blinded by the sun. So far it's not working out. Pretty blinded. And they're tossing pollen everywhere. It's getting in my eyes. But that's what happens when the blades of the mower are turned on.